Hey y'all, I got a lot going on in my kitchen today because we actually do multiple cooking videos in the same day. So I got vegetable soup over here. I got Grand Girl's apple cake in the oven. But I am fixing to share with y'all a recipe that was shared with me from a lady that lives right out here near us. Her name is Margaret Federal. And she said, I don't know if you're still accepting recipes, Paula, but here's mine. And it's called a Sherry-Nutmeg Cake. And she said it's one of those delicious recipes that if you're in a pinch, you can do it quick. So thank you so much, Margaret. I just loved hearing from you and so glad that you're enjoying the videos. In fact, let's see. And the recipe came to my, I watched your video of Jamie's chicken salad. So I appreciated hearing the story of how it all happened for you and your business. Your story is so encouraging, Paula. You should write a book, truly. Okay, so I did, Margaret, like 18 of them. And they said I couldn't even read a book in high school. I showed them, didn't I? All right, so here is Margaret's Federal Cake. It's 1 box of cake mix without the pudding added, 1 box of instant vanilla pudding, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 4 whole eggs, 3/4 of a cup of sherry. And this is a dry sherry. It's definitely not a cooking sherry. It's the real deal. And it's not a cream sherry. So, and I can't talk with my new teeth. 3/4 a cup of cooking of like Mazola oil or vegetable oil. So, according to Margaret, you just dump everything in a bowl and mix it and then put it into a greased front pan. And Margaret goes on to tell me, look at my pretty eggs, our little chickens, they hatch them so quick, and we have to put the date on them that we collected them so that we know to use the oldest ones first. But you know, I was told when I started with chickens that eggs were safe on your counter for up to 30 days. But I still throw them in the fridge. Okay, in goes our nutmeg. Let's go ahead and put our instant vanilla pudding in there. And, you know, I told y'all in earlier videos, if you see all in a cake, you know it's gonna be good. So there goes our 3/4 cup of oil. And we're just gonna mix this up. Oh, thank you, Eddie. I've got stuff in your way. All right, I think I might use the little whisk. Ooh, I can smell it. Hush! Hush! We lost another leaf, Eddie, out there on a tree.
Maybe 2 fell. You know, I was reading some of the comments, and I think we brought up the egg thing before, a lot of your farm friends, that, you know, they mentioned that yes, that's right. You know, up to 30 days without washing the egg. If once you wash the egg, then it has to be refrigerated. So if you take it right out of the hen house.
Now, see, I'm so glad to know that because I didn't wash mine. I just put them in a bowl and kept them up on my counter. But
we wash ours every morning. When summer
came, though, I started putting them in the refrigerator. And I still don't wash them. You know, it's got a little chicken poo on it. That's all right. Little chicken poo never hurt anybody. Of course, when I go to use it, I do wash it off. But that's nature's nature's way of taking care of that egg. All right, so I added our 3/4 cup of sherry, and it is strong smelling, y'all. Okay.
It smells good.
It's little Mike.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what the dogs were barking at. Great, great.
Okay. Feel that pretty good.
You do. Your vision's better than mine. This can is about to run out, Eddie. And it's hard for me to see if I'm getting it coated real good. But I think I did, didn't I? Might have got it overcoated. Overcoat. Get it? Overcoated. All right. So Margaret said that one time, I think her husband was in the service of some form, and she said a few years ago when we were stationed in Germany, hush! I wanted to create a more elegant presentation that I could serve to a senior officer and his wife who came to our place for dinner. Out of the blue, I decided to, look, they just opened the door and went out by themselves. Go get that squirrel! They saw Mike out there and they adore Mike. Not my Mike, but another Mike. All right, let's see. I decided to serve it with a mix of raspberries and blueberries, topped with a dollop of, let's see, with a dollop of topping made with light brown sugar and a full fat sour cream. A recipe I got from my mother-in-law. I can't tell you the ratio to sugar to sour cream since I often don't measure when I cook. But to my surprise, the combination of the fruit and cake together takes it to a whole other level. So thank you, Margaret. Oh, it's Teresa coming back. All right, so this is ready. We're gonna dump it in our bundt pan and we're gonna cook it for, come on in, Teresa. We're gonna cook it for 45 minutes. Did you find everybody you was looking for, Gus?
Well, I think I, kind of got confused a little bit because she was driving your car.
Oh, yes.
So Gus
We
thought
tricked
you
you.
were coming.
Teresa had run an errand and her car is in the shop, so she used mine. And I swear Gus can hear. He can hear that car when it comes up to the gate. Okie doke. We've had fun, Teresa.
You miss me?
Yes, and we've started the vegetable soup. We've got the Grand Girl's apple cake in the oven. What is that right there?
Wow.
Oh, wait, I bet it's that nutmeg.
And now you're making the sherry?
And now I'm making Margaret Federal's sherry cake.
Yum.
And I know, it sounds good. And it's easy, which is right up my alley. So we're gonna put this in the oven, bake it for 45 minutes. Look, I was worried about not getting the grease enough. The grease is laying on it. Okay, 45 minutes. Okay, Margaret, here we go. Your Sherry-Nutmeg Cake. Voila! Ooh, it's nice and brown, isn't it? You know, I don't think I've ever baked a cake in that oven. But I see what you mean, Margaret, about wanting to fancy this up a little bit. And it would be so easy to do. But as I told y'all what Margaret does, she mixes sour cream and sugar, which you can put sugar in just about anything. It's gonna make it good. Yeah, I decided to serve it with a mix of raspberries and blueberries topped with a dollop of topping made with light brown sugar and full fat sour cream. I can't tell you the ratio of sugar to sour cream since I don't often measure, but you know what? We can just taste that along and get it to just the sweetness that you want. So Margaret, I thank you so much. Your letter meant so much to me. Just knowing that one of my neighbors is tuning in on YouTube, and I thank you, honey. And loving Best Dishes. I can't wait to cut this. I know it's gonna be delicious. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and Best Dishes, y'all.